So it is raining today, but it's still a beautiful day. I've got my southern hat on. This southern hat camouflages my up north accent. And today we're going to add some fertilizer to our fig trees, our grape trees, and probably our fruit trees. As you can see, there's no room for me to ride, so I have to walk. These are our 2 grape bushes.
Maybe
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I said, I think this is the best it's looked in years.
What do you mean?
I haven't seen it grow this high. Maybe it's because of the pandemic and we haven't been here consistently, but I think this is good. There's no fruit on it yet, but I think it's because of the season. Okay. Right?
So what are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna put some 10-10-10 around the base of the plant.
What is 10-10-10?
Fertilization. Fertilizer. Let me see. 10% total nitrogen, phosphate, and potash.
Good. Okay.
So we're going to use this bucket here and this little scoop.
And
we're going to make sure this grows for the season.
Okay, awesome. What did you just say?
I said I haven't seen anything in years, but look, there are little buds here. And when I come back, I want real grapes that are sweet.
Okay. There we go. You should try and fertilize in early spring. This is early spring. Let's hope we got it in time, because as you can see, this bush wants to grow this year. See right there? There you go. Those are grapes. What kind of grapes are they, Shaw?
Muscadine grapes.
Yes. All right, on to the next.
Listen, I need figs.
You better
Come
talk
August,
to the fig tree.
I need some figs, okay? Because you know how much they charge in Whole Foods? Like $6.99 for 4.
$6.99 for 4 figs.
Ridiculous.
So we can set up on the side of the road and sell it.
We should. good. I said that.
All right, so where's the cherry tree?
The cherry tree base there.
So
And
we've
it's-
been notified that this little thing is a cherry tree. Look at it. This little thing. Here, come point at it. Nice. Okay.
But I didn't know this is here, and it's wild.
I,
So how do we know that it's safe to eat if it's wild?
because my mother ate it already.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
But how does she know to eat it?
I don't know.
How does she know that that other tree over there was poison and this was not?
I don't know.
These are questions we need to ask
Ask who?
Nana and Grandpa. How do they identify poisonous berries and healthy berries?
Okay. Okay. So just like nature found a way of sending a tree into a fig bush. So what we have here is a pecan tree that found its way in a little fertile fig bush. So at the bottom is the fig bush, and you can tell by the leaves. Apparently you can smell it too, but I can't smell it. But I've been notified that this is a pecan tree. So this pecan tree found its seed in the middle of this bush because we planted all the fig bushes. It looked like that one, just a bush to itself, and now it's growing. So somehow we have to separate the fig tree from the pecan tree. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to try. Yes.
Look at that.
No, isn't that nice? It's doing something right. I think 2 years ago I put the stakes down to fertilize it. So this is the first time I'm actually using like pelletized fertilizer.
What was in the steaks?
It's I don't know the composition.
Is it similar to 10-10-10?
I don't know.
Okay.
I know it was a stake just for fruit trees. So instead of giving me like the composition, it just said, hey, this is for the fruit trees.
Mm-hmm.
And I used it.
You did the same thing for the peaches too?
Mm-hmm.
So there you have it, Project Fam. That was our muscadine grapes, fig tree, and maybe even poisonous cherry tree. I don't know. We fertilized those bushes and hopefully, or those trees, and hopefully by August, they will be full of fruit. So yeah, a lot of this is just trial and error. Like, I'm not a farmer. I didn't grow up doing this. This is just a lot of fun. I learn. My parents know a heck of a lot more about trees, gardening, and this thing called a farmer's almanac. I'm learning as I go along. So thank you all for watching. And for all you city subscribers, maybe we'll learn something together. Until next time.